Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 common English idioms that include the word street. Number 1, on the street. It means in public, out in the community or marketplace. Example, the book is finally on the street and selling well. Number 2, the man in the street. It means an ordinary, average person. Example, the man in the street doesn't understand this complicated tax law. Number 3, the word on the street. It means rumors, gossip, or what people are saying. Example, the word on the street is that the company is going to downsize. Number 4, right up your street. It means exactly suited to your interests or skills. Example, teaching English online is right up your street. You're great at explaining things. Number 5, on easy street. It means in an easy, comfortable, or wealthy situation. Example, after winning the lottery, they thought they were on easy street. Number 6, on queer street. It means in financial trouble or difficulty. Example, the business went bankrupt last year, now they're on queer street. Number 7, hit the streets. It means to go out onto the streets, often to protest or start working. Example, students hit the streets yesterday to demand cheaper public transport. Number 8, be streets ahead of someone. It means to be much better or more advanced than someone else. Example, in terms of technology, this company is streets ahead of its competitors. Number 9, two-way street. It means a situation that involves two people or sides and requires give and take or mutual effort. Example, friendship is a two-way street. Both people have to make an effort. Number 10, line the streets. It means large numbers of people standing along the sides of a road, often for a parade or event. Example, thousands line the streets to watch the president's motorcade. All right, that's it for today's street idioms. I hope you now feel more comfortable using these expressions. Keep speaking, keep learning, and remember, every small step on the street makes your English stronger. See you next time. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.